We have come to today because of one invention after another. The integral keel water-cooled frame is made by connecting the left and right keels of the frame and the inner channels of the rectangular tubes of the longitudinal beams, and connected with the cooling channel of the engine to form an efficient engine cooling system. Became the first company to break through the bottleneck of poor heat dissipation of the three-wheeled motorcycle engine. The manufacturer of the integral keel water-cooled frame needs to grasp 3 points. The quality of the welded part of the frame water channel must pass the test. Each frame channel must undergo a rigorous water immersion test. Inject 5 standard atmospheres of gas into the water channel to check whether the water channel is leaking. The frame is treated with electrophoresis baking paint so that the water channels adhere to the paint as much as possible. The water-cooled frame has been professionally processed by a thick layer of electrophoretic paint inside the frame to protect iron. Rust is a chemical reaction between iron Fe and oxygen O2. When the frame is in use, the interior of the frame is in a water-filled and airtight state. There is no air inside the frame. That means there is no oxygen. Only with water and iron, the water-cooled frame will not rust. Compared with Tricycle, without a water-cooled frame, the power is greatly enhanced. The 3 guarantee period will be 2 years or 40,000 kilometers, which is 3 times longer than the ordinary 3 guarantee period. The integral keel water-cooled frame has become the leader in the tricycle industry and exported to all over the world.